you won the 5 Nights of Lights and bribe, including a toys, little gifts, little tiny cool crabs that you built with your 3D printer. That was pretty awesome. So anyways, congratulations, Noeta. You guys won a nice dinner and spa day. So good job, and your boat looks awesome, and everyone really enjoyed your treats. They were very delicious. So can we get some clicks for Noeta for the 5 Nights of Lights?
Welcome aboard. We are Alexa, Pat, and Gilligan the Fat Boat Cat. Follow us as we live aboard and cruise the U.S. and Mexico on our 57-foot Nordhavn Noeta with no ETA.
Rolling.
Rolling.
Coming in closer, because that's what we do.
So today we have this amazing stove, an oven.
I'm panning to the stove now.
Well, okay. And we're not just
It's holiday cheer!
holiday cheer. Okay.
For all to sing out loud.
It is December 23rd today, and so we're getting Noeta in the holiday spirit.
Everybody but Gilligan.
Yeah, he doesn't really care. But we've got the holiday lights up. There's a big holiday light competition for the next few days, and people walk around and they vote on boats. We've won this competition for the last couple of years, so we'll see. But it's all about bribes and lights, so one or the other can win the competition. But part of the bribes is I make a lot of sweets, and so one of them I'm making right now.
I think there was some booze one year too.
Well, no, there's booze this year too. Yeah, no, it's hot chocolate for the kids and hot chocolate with Baileys for the adults. But so this one is a caramel. I've actually made this for over 25 years. Every single Christmas I make caramels.
It's like lava.
It is like lava. And it's a slow, long process. And my family doesn't let me make it by myself because one year I was pregnant with our second kid.
Jack.
Our third kid. Oh, that explains a lot. And I'm taking the caramel and I'm putting it in the fridge to cool it, and my hand went in the top and it's like lava molten hot. And anyway, I ended up in the ER and with no fingerprints for a while. But,
and that's where I was flying in on a trip, and I phoned home, and her mom answers from the hospital, and I'm getting like hospital ER. Alexa, and I'm driving and I don't know what's going on. So she has direct supervision at all times when she's doing caramels.
Right. So now
spinning around.
So now they don't let me make it unless somebody's home, and then I have to be very cautious when it goes in the fridge and not touch it. But so in addition, I'm making some pretzels, a green Christmas wreath that I've also made for 20 years. I think if I stopped making these, my kids would have a fit.
There would be a revolution.
There, at least. And we have 2 of our 3 kids coming in for Christmas, which will be fun. We'll go out on a boat cruise. There's a giant dock party tomorrow night, potluck thing with all the cruisers, and we have a white elephant gift exchange that ends up being really funny. And so there's lots going on for the holidays, but we do like to get Noeta in holiday cheer, even though we've just gotten here and we're still unpacking everything. So some of our holiday Christmas ornaments didn't make it through storage. They disintegrated. So we're getting rid of a few things this year, it turns out. But
we're keeping him.
We are keeping him.
Right, Gilligan?
All right, so I wish you guys could taste these because they are really good. But otherwise, off to make more food today.
Here we go. Oh my gosh. All right. All right. Now,
Hey, Kat, I have
this,
treats.
is.
She's the best treats.
This is probably the best treats ever.
Oh wait, I need my light.
Let me see if I can see the light.
I've been cooking all. I know you're not big into sweets, but I've been cooking all day.
Oh, I gotta see this.
And whatever sweets you guys don't eat, these guys will eat for you.
Oh my goodness, you guys get extra.
Hot chocolate and whipped cream, too.
Excellent. I have more
Pick
inside too.
one. Okay. Oh, you guys are getting. No, just after
And they
the
have
ice
hot
cream today.
chocolate. These are caramels. These are brigadeiros chocolates, pretzels, and these are like Rice Krispies.
Brigadeiros.
Yeah.
What are
Corn
these?
flakes.
These are really good.
Those, yeah. And there's hot chocolate with whipped cream and Irish cream if you want
wow.
if you want adult style.
Okay, this
All
is
right.
the new look. I love it. Oh my god.
You know what's really funny?
This is super cool.
That Pat said people
Watching
kept
Pat
talking to him.
try to put this
He was trying to make it pretty, and he's like, people kept walking by to talk to me, so I just threw it up there.
You know
And
what?
touch it again.
It's actually with the red nose like Rudolph. Oh my gosh.
Boy, I go, dude, just stop, man.
And he did.
That is
he just put it
perfect.
there and he stopped. So he said, okay.
Well, it's so funny because they're like freaking out.
This is pretty
If
fun.
you guys want these, I printed Christmas crabs.
So real.
So,
That is so
and I have a new printer that prints in multiple colors.
Hey,
So, Christmas
Is
crabs.
that the benefit to have a powerboat? You have like.
I have the space. Oh,
that
thank
good?
you. That's better. Yeah, I have the
not
space
just
for a
that.
Christmas crab.
Dude, that is so
Obviously,
cool.
I'm printing really important stuff on my boat.
Yep. The only part you like about Christmas is coming in the wet up and all the bright.
That's right. Take the bribes.
In exchange, I give her votes.
Noeta. Noeta, you won the 5 nights of light and bribe.
Medical supplies. We got crutches over there. Jack's got some medical supplies. I got some more. We're off to the clinic. There. We're going into the health clinic to drop off collected supplies that the cruisers collected from both La Cruz Marina and Paradise Village. So we're excited to go in and drop all this off for them.
Who's got that wine?
Who's 6?
I'm 6.
One.
6, right here.
6. All right. You can steal from somebody else or go on in.
I'm going on
Going
here.
on in.
I'm going this one.
That's pretty. Ooh, do you have a DVD?
No. Locomotive 2,
Okay, fine.
The Godfather, Fatal Attraction, and
All right, Luna, what you got?
It's a rainbow.
It's a gold.
You're like.
what number are we on?
There we go.
It's like food.
We are on 7.
All right.
What number are you?
16.
Oh, okay.
That probably it will take 250.
All right, we're walking up. I got Michaela, our oldest daughter, Jack, our youngest, Mason, Michaela's boyfriend. We're missing our middle kid, and we're walking up to a little Mexican Christmas Day fiesta where all the kids are opening gifts that we helped wrap this week. So, should be fun. Bueno! Santa está aquí. This is Marichui, and she and her husband Alfredo help organize this amazing event for all of these kids. And so many. So next year we need more gifts. So people, bring more gifts next year. I'll get them to Marichui so these kids in the street.
There's many kids in town. This time we did about 500 presents, but I think for sure
We need more. All right, we did balls and coloring books and crayons and pens and all things. And these kids are thrilled to get them. So next year, you guys can help me and we'll get more. Oh, these guys are the best. They're at the Treehouse Cafe in La Cruz. We love them very much. They do great things.
Yeah, and thank you very much for all the people who helped to do this possible. Thank you very much.
We're dinner. That's beautiful. Oh, how pretty. I've never come in this way. And now we're walking to dinner. Say hi.
Hola.
Walking to dinner. It doesn't suck. I don't know. So we were supposed to bring a panga in tonight, but to dinner, they pick you up in La Cruz and bring you to the restaurant. But today is crazy swell, crazy surf. The whole Anchorage is getting rocked out there. It's one of those, so it's the 25th of December. Huge surf day here in this region. And it'll be high tide in another hour. So they couldn't pick us up on panga, so we got picked up on the golf cart instead. But I don't think I'd want to be in the Anchorage today. All right, salud, everybody. Salud! Aw, they're such pretty drinks. We had a great dinner. Did you have a good dinner?
Had a wonderful dinner.
Super high tide. Glad we didn't bring the panga. But so now we're gonna golf cart home, back to the boat. Won't this be funny if they get wet? Get wet. Wait, not us! High tide, here it comes. It's Jack!
All over my feet.
It's awesome! There's a scorpion on our boat. Not for long.
Hi, everybody.
Marty came over, had seen our channel, and he is on Undaunted, which is a boat in another marina, and he was cruising about today and stopped by and said, hey, I've seen your videos. So he said, come on aboard. And we've been chatting, and now what kind of boat are you on?
It's a 78-foot Dauntless is the manufacturer. It's an Explorer. Kind of similar to the Nordhavn.
Yeah.
I guess you could compare it to a 76 or a 78, size-wise.
Exactly.
And she's twin engine, and we just followed them down here, watched the videos, and got here on Friday, and here
now
for the
we're
winter.
friends, and that's how it works.
Yeah.
And now we're all friends.
Trading boating stories.
Yeah. So we'll definitely run into Marty again. We'll end up in the same marina here in a little bit, and there will be more story trading. And he tried the Christmas cookies that I was making today.
They are beyond awesome.
Okay.
My diet is down the road.
All right then. So he's vouched for me. All right. Thanks.
right.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, everybody.
It's the day after Christmas, and we're out for our Christmas tacos the next day. I just was walking down the street, and this guy goes, "It's no ETA," and turns out his name's Mike. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike from Nanaimo,
And
Vancouver Island.
Mike has been watching our YouTube videos. Here's his wife Gwen, and here's
Dawn.
Sorry, Dawn. We just met, but now we're gonna have a beer or something because this is pretty great.
Yeah.
And you've been watching our videos since
I've been
Anacortes.
watching. Yeah, I love the Nordhavn and get a kick out of the prepping and all the things that you do at sea and the boat cats and
Gilligan. Yeah, he's in all of them. So
it's very cool.
Yeah.
It's a neat way to be retired.
It's I'm so glad you said hello. I love seeing people that are watching and following along. So thank you, and you'll be in our holiday video.
Looking forward to seeing it.
All right, bye guys.
Merry Christmas.